Welcome, my dear kids, on your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward. And we are towards the end of the book. We are doing science with the book Link with Science by Feathercap. And this is our chapter number 13. So this is the last chapter of this book, and we are going to sum up this book by this last chapter. And what is the name of the chapter? This is Sun, Moon and Stars. So in this chapter, we are going to learn some amazing things about this wonderful, wonderful sky. Yes, that you should go through that whenever you go out in day or at night. Whenever you look at the sky, you see certain things in the sky. Yes, and they are very fascinating. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about such things. So let's start. So first thing that you do is this activity. So here you have to show some of your drawing skills. Draw yourself. What you have to draw here? The sun, moon and stars. Okay. So there might be some shape in your mind about sun. What shape is the moon? What shape is the stars? So you have to draw these pictures and then you have to color them. Okay. So you know that what is the sun? Sun is like this. Always. Okay. And then you have to draw moon and star, and then you have to color them. So this is a picture and drawing based activity. So now let's start the chapter. We live on earth. So the place where we are living is this round, big round that is called as earth. Now when we stand in an open space, means without roof, and look upwards and we try to observe the sky, we see what? We see sky, that huge part that appears blue in the daytime, that is called as sky. Okay. So now next we see the moon, sun and the stars in the sky. So generally if you are going out in daytime, you observe that there is only sun shining in the sky, and sometimes you see clouds also. Okay. But whenever you try to observe sky during night, you see some shiny objects there. So one of them is moon, and rest, like in millions of amount, uncountable, they are stars. So now let's study one by one about them. First one is the sun. Sun, what is sun? Sun is a huge ball of fire. So why we are saying that it is a huge ball of fire? Huge means very big. Okay. And why we are calling it as ball? Because of its shape, round shape. We are calling it as ball. And fire because it is very, very hot. It has very, you cannot imagine even this much temperature of gases, hot gases. So it is actually a ball of fire. Okay. It gives us what? What is the significance of the sun? It gives us light and heat during the day. Why we are not saying that they are giving we are getting heat and light, everything in night also? Why we are specifically saying that we are getting heat and light during day? Because it only shines during the day. Okay. So now the earth moves around the sun. So now the earth, the planet on which we are standing right now, we are living here, this keeps on revolving around this sun. Okay. So it moves around the sun. The sun rises from the east and it sets in the west in the evening. Okay. So you all know that when the sun rises during the day, early in the morning. So the direction from which the sun rises is the east direction, and on the opposite of east direction is the west direction. So in the evening, this sun sets in the west. Okay. So just now if I am drawing this figure, so these are four directions. One is north and opposite is south. One is east and another one is west. So like this, the sun starts rising from the east and in the opposite direction the sun sets in the west. Okay. Now next is the moon. So before moving to the moon, this is a science fact that you need to read here. The sun is over this much, 3 lakhs times larger than the earth. So on the planet that we are living on, earth, The sun is 3 lakhs times bigger as compared to the earth. Okay. So now next is moon. The second thing that you observe in the night sky is moon, and it is a shiny object. The moon shines and gives us light at night. Okay. Whenever there is full moon or half of the moon even, you get to see things around, even if it is very dark. Why? Because it is also providing us with the light. Now next, the moon is round and it is cold. Why it is cold? I will tell you just now. So now why we are saying that it is round, but sometimes it appears like this, sometimes it appears like this. So why we are saying that it is round? Though it also appears like round also, but it has several other shapes as well. So why we are saying that moon is only round? Why? And if it is round, then why it appears like this? So the reason is because the sun gives light to only certain part of the moon, and that is why only this part is visible to us. We are living on the earth and the sun is giving light to this part only, because rest of the part is in the shadow. Okay, shadow of earth. So this is the reason why we only see this much part. It is still round in shape, but we are only seeing the half part of moon or this part of moon. Okay. It is cold. Why it is cold? It is cold because it is not having any of its own light or heat. Okay. Unlike sun has its own hot gases. So that is why it is hot. But this moon doesn't have its own light. So that is why it is cold. It is much smaller than the sun and the earth. So both sun and earth are bigger than the moon. Now moon changes its shape. So it is clearly visible from here. This is a full moon. This is a gibbon again. Then this is a more than a gibbon. This is crescent moon. Okay. So now it changes its shape every night. When the complete moon shines, we call it as a full moon. So this picture, this is a picture of full moon. And if there is no moon in the sky, sometimes happens, like at some nights we don't see moon in the sky. So that is called as no moon. Okay, no moon night. The moon has no light of its own. It doesn't have its own light. Okay, it takes the light from the sun and then it shines. It shines by the light got from the sun. So clear. So now the first person to set foot on the moon was Neil Armstrong. So he was the first person who reached the moon. Now next is stars. So sun and moon are clear. Sun is hot ball of fire. It is having its own heat and light. Although this moon, it is cold because it is not having any of its own light and heat both, and it is again round in shape and it is smaller than sun and earth both. Now next, stars. Now beside the moon, we see many stars in the night sky. So whenever you go out to observe the night sky, you might see the moon and rest many small, some very tiny dots like structure that are very much bright in the night sky. So these are called as stars. Now stars cannot see in the daytime. Why? Why these stars are not visible to our eyes during daytime? Whenever you go out during daytime, stars are also there in the sky, but we are not able to see them. Why? Because they are now, you can say they just blend in the light of the sun. They get, their light becomes diminished in the bright light of sun. That is why we don't actually see these stars. They look small because of their large distance from the earth. Though again, this sun is very far from us, but this is a huge ball, means its size is very big. These stars also are very big in size, but they appear very small to us because they are farther than the sun even. Okay, so their huge distance from earth makes them appear very small. The sun is also a star and stars are stars only. Okay, sun is also considered as a star. So this is a question here. Nikita told Joseph that stars are very big in size. So Nikita told Joseph that stars are very big in size. But Joseph says, but they look so small in the sky. So do you think that Nikita is right? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? They are very big, but they appear very small. So Nikita is correct. Both Joseph and Nikita are correct. But Nikita again is correct. They are asking only about Nikita. She is right because they are very, very far from us. Still, they appear very small to us. Okay. So this is the reason, because they are very far from the earth, but they are very big inside. So correct. Both are saying correct thing. Now next question. Find the hidden words in the maze given below using the following clues. So these are the clues and you have to find certain words in the maze. So now first one, it shines during the day. So during day, what shines? What shines? Find out. Correct answer is this, sun. Okay, I am writing over here. Sun. Next, it looks like a big white ball. It looks like a big white ball because sun appears as yellow color. So which item, which object appears white in color and as ball? So means it should be round in shape and it is white in color. So find out. This is moon. Okay. Next is they are many in number. So they are, because sun is only one, moon is only one again. So these are many in number, means huge in number. So these are stars. Find out stars, where it is hidden. Stars. Okay, this is. Okay, stars. Next, it goes round the sun. So which object actually, which celestial object revolves around the sun? Earth. Okay, so find out. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. This is the earth. Correct? Earth. Fine. So let's start these questions. My Olympiad test. The shape of the crescent moon looks like. The shape of the crescent, remember I told you this is the crescent shape. Okay. So shape of the crescent moon is this, while a full moon looks like this. So now find out the correct option. Okay, this one. Okay. So crescent and full moon. Match the columns and select the correct option. So these column 1 has 3 options and then column 2 has 3 statements. You have to match them. So sun changes shape? No. Seems to twinkle? No again. Source of heat for us? Yes, true. Okay. So sun, A goes with 3. A with 3. Next is moon. Changes shape? Yes. So B goes with 1. And rest, star is left only, seems to twinkle. So twinkle, twinkle, little star. C with 2. Now find out this option. Where is it written? A3, B1, C2. A1, A1, A3, B1, C2. This one. Okay, fine. So quickly sum up the chapter with these exercises. Come on, choose the correct answer. Which has no light of its own? The sun, moon or stars? Stars twinkle with their own light. They shine with their own light. Sun has its own light and moon does not have its own light. It reflects the light received by the sun. Now sun gives us what? Cool, dark or heat? Sun gives us heat and light both. We live on the sun, moon and earth. Very simple. We live on earth. Fill in the blanks. The sun is a huge ball of fire. It is a huge ball of fire. The sun rises in the which direction? Remember, it rises from the east and it sets in the west. Correct? The moon changes its dash every night. The moon changes its what? It changes its shape every night because of its movement. Okay. Stars cannot seen in the We cannot see stars during daytime. Yes, they are only visible during night. Now you have to put a tick for true statements and cross for the false ones. Okay? This Z is extra. False. Now the sun shines during the day. It is, shall I make a cross here? No. It is a true statement. The color of the moon changes every night. Color of the moon or size of the moon or shape of the moon. Size or shape of the moon changes every night, not the color. It remains always white in color. The sun is a star. Sorry, this has to be a cross because this is a wrong statement. Okay. The sun is a star. True. Stars are very small in size. No, they are not. When the moon looks round like a ball, it is called the full moon. Yes, when it appears like a round ball, complete round, it is called as a full moon. Now, subjective questions. In brief, you have to answer. So, the first question says, what is the sun? So, very simple. It is a huge ball of fire. Now, what do we get from the sun? What do we get from the sun? You can say light and heat. We get heat and light from the sun. Who was the first man to go to the moon? Remember, I am writing his name here. Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong was the first person to step foot on the moon. Now, where do we see stars? Where do we see stars? In day sky. You can say in day sky. Or you can say sky, but because they are, okay, why I am writing this? This is again wrong. Not in day sky. In night sky only. During day only sun is visible. Okay, I thought they are asking for sun. So where do we see stars? In night sky. Okay, now answer the following in details. You have to answer. I am giving you the answer. Later on you have to write them on your own. What do you mean by phases of moon? What do you mean by phases of moon? The changing shape of moon every night is called as phases of moon. You know that moon changes its shape every night. Yes, on the basis of its movement around the earth. So these different shapes of moon every night is called as phases of moon. Now how does the moon shines? How does the moon shines? As it do not have its own light, so it shines by the sun's light. It takes and reflects all the light that is taken by the sun and it shines. Okay, because it doesn't have its own light. So this is all about this chapter. Kids, you have to revise the chapter, read it once and then try to do the exercises on your own. Okay, so we'll meet in after some of the next classes. Till then, happy learning, kids.